Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Copper Cliff, a historic mining community just west of Sudbury, Ontario. This town has deep roots in Canada's mining industry and played a major role in the development of the region. In the late 1800s, rich deposits of nickel and copper were discovered here, leading to rapid growth and the establishment of smelters and mines. Over the years, the community has been shaped by the hard work of miners and their families, many of whom came from around the world. Today, you'll find a mix of heritage buildings, green spaces, and reminders of its industrial past. The town is closely tied to Vail, one of the largest mining companies in the world, which still operates here. Whether you're here to explore its history or admire its scenery, Copper Cliff has a story worth discovering. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Copper Cliff, Ontario. Thanks for watching!